This is a 2010 Honda Ridgeline. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, leather seats, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 68,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.